In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a posterior medial foot reach. Now, to explain this one, the simplest way I can explain it is if I imagine I am in the center of a clock, the 12 o'clock position is me facing you, then I've got the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5, and then behind me, directly behind, is my 6 o'clock position. What you're going to do is you're going to be reaching with your foot to the 4 or the 5 o'clock position. So it's going to be that diagonal position away from your body. So what I want you to do first is get a hip width stance. From here, the leg that's staying in contact with the floor is your balance leg, and the other leg is going to be your working leg. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep your hips and yourself facing towards that 12 o'clock position as your foot and toe on your reach leg goes into that posterior medial area. From here, you'll notice as well, is when I'm doing those reps, I'm bending my standing leg's knee. So I'm repeating my desired amount of repetitions by keeping one leg straight, and my standing leg in contact with the floor is bending at each repetition at the knee. That is how to do a posterior medial foot reach.